Hi, boys and girls. Welcome back for part two of learning about adverbs. We're going to do activity book page 2.4. We're going to do a couple together so that you can see what you have to do, and then you're going to finish the rest on your own. So making adverbs with the suffix ly, and remember ly means in a way. It's how we do something. So the directions say draw a wiggly line under the verb. So each sentence you're going to find the verb, the action, and draw a wiggly line under it. Then change the adjective under the blank to an adverb. So they give you the adjective under the blank, and you're going to add ly to it to complete the sentence. And lastly, you're going to draw a triangle around the adverb and an arrow from the adverb to the verb. And then you're going to answer the question after the sentence. So let's go ahead and do question number one together, or sentence one together. We waited blank for our turn to look through the telescope. The first thing we need to do is put a wiggly line under the verb. Waited is the verb. I can ask myself, what were we doing? We waited. The adjective we're going to use is patient, but we're going to change it to patiently to make it an adverb. Patiently. Now, it said to put a triangle around the adverb and draw an arrow to the verb because that's what it's describing. And then the question says, how did we wait? We waited patiently. So that's what you're doing for each of these. We're going to do number two together as well. Number two says, people were riding in the car blank because they weren't wearing their seatbelts. We have to first underline the verb. The action is riding. Illegal is the adjective, and we're going to change it to illegally. Now, when it ends in a vowel and the L like that, you're going to put an extra L. You're going to double the L and then add ly. No, I'm sorry, we didn't. It ends in an L, so it looks like we're adding an L, but we're not. It just goes on to the end. How were the people riding? Illegally. And we need to put a triangle around the adverb and draw an arrow to the verb. Number three is going to look very similar to number two because it ends in an L, so you're going to have two L's in the word that you make for number three. Okay? Number three says, our teacher drew lines, and that word is vertical, but you're going to change it with an ly, on the paper so we would know where to write each separate part. How did our teacher draw lines? Number four, I blank arranged my books on the shelves when I cleaned my room. How did I arrange my books? Number five, a woman at a table near us in the restaurant blank asked the waiter for more water. How did the woman ask? Number six, the new medicine the doctor gave me went down blank when I swallowed it compared to what I took last year when I was sick. How did the medicine go down? And then the last part says, write a sentence using each adverb. Remember, the adverb should describe the verb. So you're going to write a sentence using the adverb slowly and an adverb using the word loudly. Have fun.